press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Style School. Wearing a plain old t-shirt can be quite boring. What if we show you ways to amp up your basic t-shirt?
You and me together, we could be anything, anything. You and me together.
Summer dressing is all about the ease and comfort. One such summer style is a shoulder-padded t-shirt. To create this look, I simply folded the sleeves of my t-shirt inwards with the help of a hair tie and voila! For the finishing touches, I added a bit of everything silver. Hoops, rings, lead chains and finally a pair of sneakers for a trendy athleisure look. Next, I wanted to try a trendy and feminine look. To take the crop top style a notch up, I decided to create a halter neck crop top using this string. To give it a ruched look in the middle of the top, tie it and carry the string all the way to the back of your neck for a halter look. I added a pair of gold danglers, tan bag and snake print heels for a femme and fashionable vibe. Not every day can have a high fashion feel. So for those casual summery days, you've got to try the street style double-sided tuck. Simply take two hair ties and tie the extreme ends of your t-shirt before tucking them in. This hack is the easiest to create and carry. For a biker chic vibe, I added a pair of gold hoops, gold rim shades, link chain bracelet and combat boots. Those knotted crop tops look uber chic when paired with simple denims. But why bother adding them to your cart when you can create the look on your own? Just take a hair tie, gather the t-shirt from inside and tie a knot to achieve this interesting cropped look. To further accentuate this uber cool street style look, add a pop of color with bright orange danglers, PU clutch and finish it off with sneakers. Tucking an oversized t-shirt inside the denims ends up creating a mess. So stop it right now. For perfectly tucking your oversized t-shirt, take a long string, tie it around your waist and tuck the t-shirt using that string. Your baggy and casual look is ready to go. To complement the street style, I am pairing it with beaded earrings, a quilted clutch and most importantly, my sneakers.
So these were some easy to use hacks to style your basic t-shirt differently. Let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, we have a little surprise for you. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!